Hello guys, welcome. In the last video we have prepared the parameter from Jitsi method. So we are inside live class model. Okay guys, let's have all this code up to this point. Okay, beautiful. So I want to come down. Don't worry, it's okay. So this is it. All right. Okay, guys, but we need to change the method to this. What happened? It's okay, don't worry. All right. We need the title, it is correct. I'm going to get rid of subject ID. We need a class ID. We need section ID. Okay, guys, now we need to be careful. Let's locate Jitsi. We have class ID. This is going to be meeting date. It's going to be meeting date, and this is going to be, this is correct. Okay, remarks is going to be description, and what next? Okay, we have start time, end time. This is going to be start time. I want to get rid of this guy. This is going to be end time. Don't forget to update that here. What happens here? Okay, don't worry. This is going to be user ID. So I'm going to copy. Oops, let me delete that guy. I want us to explain something here. Let me delete this guy. Okay, so we have the title, class ID, section, meeting date, description. So let's copy and paste it. So this is going to be start time, and here is going to be end time. The same thing here, end time. All right. Okay, we need status. We need room. I want our code to be very neat. Okay, you see this room, we need to perform something here. Okay, so I need some set of strings. Okay, so let's use MD5 function. Here I need date function method. Okay, so inside that date, let's say we need day, month and year. Okay, of course this should be capital letter. Okay, I'm going to give space, then age. Let me use an S. So I need the time and date together. Okay, really it does not stop here. I still want to concatenate it to something, but I want to use substr substr substring. You know, this return part of a string. Okay, so I want to generate some set of random numbers, but before that I still need something. MD5 okay function, the random. All right, so this is just to set some level of security, okay, to generate some random number. So I want to say from 1 million, okay, up to maybe 2 million. We are not really going to stop here. So guys, after here, so I'm going to say, excuse me, let's generate, I want to generate from 0 to 10. So I'm going to say that 0, 10. Beautiful. Okay, so after that, guys, we need to set, okay, publish date, the date that we published that what should we use there? Okay, you know what, let's just generate some date there. So I'm going to say publish date, the associate array. Let me say that, okay, this is going to be xcr to time. All right, I'm going to put comma here. This is going to be year, month and day. All right, but before that, guys, don't forget we need to put date here and we need to close another bracket there. So the last one that we want to discuss is going to be the user ID. Okay, do you know why I'm doing this for the last time? Because we need to explain few things here. Okay, so guys, what happens here is that I want to save the login type. You know, from our login we have some codes there, okay, and we have set some things to session. What we did, let me open the login model. I want to show you. Now we have set some things to our system section. So we have login type, which is admin. If it is admin that is logging in, look at this guy, this is HRM. So the login type is going to be HRM, and we have login user ID. So we are returning the ID of that user. So in our live class model, we need something, and what we need is that from that user ID we are going to save both the login type and the login user ID. All right, so let's quickly do that without wasting our time. So I'm going to say that this our session user data login type. All right, so we are going to concatenate that. I need dash here, another session data, this session user data. This is going to be login user ID. So here I'm going to terminate that. Okay, so it's as easy as that. You know what? Of course, let me remove that comma there. So let's save it. Okay, so guys, look at this code here. Let me get rid of this guy. I hope this path is clear. Okay, so what happens is that let's select from Jitsi order by Jitsi ID. I want to limit 1. I want to check the value of the last inserted ID. So the new one is going to take the next number. So I want to arrange it in an orderly manner. Okay, so insert into Jitsi. Okay, so Jitsi ID is equals to return query. Alright, inserting to Jitsi. So guys, in the next video we are going to explain this path. Don't forget that we have an option here to send an SMS. So we are going to process that in the next video. So thank you guys. See you in the next tutorial. Bye.